Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you are looking with me at 2005 Toyota Prius. This vehicle got recently engine oil changed, but apparently the person didn't reset that engine oil maintenance light. So poor owner came here today with different problem and mentioned that, oh my god, I just had my engine oil change and now the lights on maintenance light is on, what's happening? So let's go together in this video to reset that light for her so she can enjoy driving her Prius. Here you can see with me nicely the whole dashboard, so let me show the light which he was talking about. Now you see that maintenance required. That's what is bugging her. And here it is in the driving position, right? The vehicle is ready to go, and that's what she was looking at. If we want to reset that yellow maintenance required light, the first thing I need to make sure that this display shows the miles, right? It's in the odometer position. After that, I will use the power button and switch this system off. I will locate the odometer trip button, which is right here, and I will hold that button right now, and I will switch the ignition button, which is right here, and I will put it twice on. And if you look with me over there, it actually was flashing there. There were, instead of numbers, there were lines, and the entire system reset itself. Now I can let go of this button and it's all done. Let me confirm it for you. I will go back to switching the whole vehicle off, right? You can take the key out, whatever. Just want to show you. And now I will put the car on. 1, 2. Right, and let's observe. And as you can see, the engine will start and the maintenance light is off. And all what remains is that check engine light, and that's the reason why the car came here, and I will be dealing with that in different video. I'm pretty sure you will agree with me that resetting that light on this generation of Prius is extremely easy. Everybody can do that, and there's definitely no reason for a panic, right? And please make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of the other videos which I are making for you on this channel. Thank you for watching today, and have a great day, my friend.